So this is 18 Helvellyn Rise. It's a 3-bed semi-detached property located at the head of a cul-de-sac. If I just turn around, you can see I'm on a little private road which leads to our property and you have a couple of parking spaces, the white car and then the space beyond. Very, very close to Morton Academy, and you are looking out over playing fields from the top windows. So let's go in and take a look. So you've got a little forecourt, easy to maintain, and you walk into the hallway, and we'll just close the door. So hallway leads us into the kitchen, the living room, stairs to the first floor, and there is an understairs, a little cloakroom where you've got a WC wash hand basin, so that's a ground floor cloak. Into the kitchen, plenty of space for dining over in the corner, and then we have a range of white units at base and wall level. You've got electric ceramic hob, electric cooker, space for a washing machine, the gas boiler is located in here, and we've got a stainless steel extractor over the cooking area. So lots of room here, as I say, to put in a dining table, and then into the living room, which is a good size. Lots and lots of space here for 3-piece suite, television table, and with a neutral decoration. And if we come over here, we can show you the other side of the room. You've got access into the conservatory, which I shall show you in a second, and there's a bit of understairs storage there. Into the conservatory. So a nice place to sit in an evening, catch a few sun rays. It looks out onto the rear garden, which is really easy maintenance. You've got a patio for a place to sit, and a bit of artificial grass as well, and some borders there which are planted up. So that wraps round the house through the gate there, which will take you back down the side of the property and out to the front. So that's the ground floor accommodation. We'll take a little walk upstairs now and show you the bedrooms. We've got 3 in total, and a family bathroom also located up here. Property's double glazed, it's got gas central heating. This is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, so a single room, maybe a home office or a study, potentially a nursery room if you're a young family. We've got a double bedroom here, which has got space for a double bed, and this one looks out over the rear. Again, you can see that garden to the back of Helvellyn. And then if we walk through, I'll take you into the bathroom. So single bathroom, it's got a bath, shower, thermostatic shower over the bath, WC and a pedestal wash hand basin. That's your bathroom. And then we have the main bedroom, which is a double. It's got nice views out to the front street. You can see your 2 parking spaces down there, the white car and in front of it. And then you've got open views out over playing fields. So ideal for a young family, maybe for a professional couple. There's some fitted wardrobe space in here. So we've got a chest of drawers, bedside cabinet. There's a headboard for a double bed, and we've got lots of hanging space in there. So that's 18 Helvellyn Rise, 3-bedroomed, semi-detached, head of a cul-de-sac, nice location, popular estate, now available with hunters.